of our esteemed delegates still coming in, so kindly take your seats. In the meantime, it's my pleasure to request the dignitaries to kindly come over to the podium. I would request Sri Mahesh M. Hiremat and Sri N. Srinivas to kindly bring Sri M.B. Patil, Honorable Minister for Water Resources, Government of Karnataka, onto the podium. I would also request the other dignitary, Sri Ghanshyam Jha, the Chairman of the CWC, to kindly come over. Sri P.V. Ramurthy, Additional Chief Secretary to Government, WRD, Bengaluru. Professor Anurag Kumar, Director IASC. Sri B.G. Gurupadaswamy, Secretary, Water Resources Department, Bengaluru. Shri A.B. Pandya, a former Chairman of Central Water Commission. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as you are all aware, the National Dam Safety Conferences have been conceived as a part of dam safety institutional capacity building, and continuing with the thrust generated. We are all aware the conferences propagate the concepts, techniques, instruments, materials, etc. for design and construction of new dams, as well as for monitoring, surveillance, operation, maintenance, and rehabilitation of existing dams. On behalf of the Karnataka Water Resources Department, Government of Karnataka, Central Water Commission, and the Indian Institute of Science, I am Shankar Prakash, extending a very, very warm welcome to the inaugural event of the second National Dam Safety Conference here in Bengaluru. Tammellarigu in Kannada, Hrutpurvakavada Adarada Swagata to the IT city, the BT city, transforming itself into the technological capital of India, Bengaluru. As per the rich tradition of a wonderful country, India, where we all live in, we start today's deliberations with offering our salutations to the Almighty. On behalf of all of us, Anusha and Apurva of the students of IASC will render the invocation. Please welcome Anusha and Apurva.
Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Mudakaratamodakam Sada Vimukti Sadakam Kaladharavatam Sakam Vilasilokarakshakam Mudakaratamodakam Sada Vimukti Sadakam Kaladharavatam Sakam Vilasilokarakshakam Anayakaikanayakam Vinashidebhataityakam Natashubhashunashakam Namamitam Vinayakam Namamitam Vinayakam Natetarati-bhikaram navoditatabhaswaram namasturari-nirjaram natadikapaduddaram Natetarati-bhikaram navoditatabhaswaram namasturari-nirjaram natadikapaduddaram Sureshwaram Nidishwaram Gajeshwaram Ganeshwaram Maheshwaram Samashre Paratparam Nirantaram Paratparam Nirantaram. Thank you.
Thank you very much for offering the salutations to Sakala Vigna Nivaraka Ganapati. At the outset, I would request Shri Mahesh M. Hiremat, Chief Engineer at WRDO and the Nodal Officer of DRIP, Karnataka Water Resources Department, for the introductory remarks and welcome address. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and let's welcome Shri Mahesh Hiremat.
Thank you, Shankar Prakash. Namaskara and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On this wonderful winter morning, I, on behalf of Central Water Commission, India, Water Resources Department, Government of Karnataka, and Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, welcome you all to Bangalore, the IT capital of India, and known as Garden City. Today we have in this August Assembly, policymakers, administrators, engineers, academicians, researchers, and industry representatives with one noble objective, that is to share, discuss, debate, exchange ideas and thoughts, and to take stock of the safety of the dams built across rivers in India and globally. It is in this context that the Conference on National Dam Safety, scheduled for today and tomorrow, has immense potential to deliver the most promising outcome to carry forward the wide-ranging initiatives in the rehabilitation and improvement of existing dams for the safety of human life, public property, environment, etc. So, ladies and gentlemen, first and foremost, I heartily welcome our Honorable Minister for Water Resources, Government of Karnataka, Shri M.B. Patil. I would request Mr. Srinivas to welcome with bouquet. Shri M.B. Patil, who is an engineer by qualification, philanthropic, educationist by profession, and a visionary politician and policymaker by passion, who has graciously consented to inaugurate this conference and to deliver his inaugural address. He has been our guiding force to usher in pioneering reforms in the public irrigation system in our state with his innovative ideas and path-breaking initiatives. Sir, we are immensely thankful to you for your esteemed presence and look forward to your thought-provoking inaugural address. Welcome you, sir. Friends and fellow delegates, today we have amidst us Sri Ghanshyam Jha, Chairman, Central Water Commission India, who has conceptualized this conference, which is of great relevance in India and as well globally. On behalf of the state of Karnataka and all the organizers, I warmly welcome you, sir. Welcome to this conference. I request Mr. Madhav to welcome him with the bouquet. Welcome, sir. I'm extremely happy to welcome our beloved Additional Chief Secretary to Government, Water Resource Department, Government of Karnataka, Sri P.B. Ramamurthy, to this inaugural function, who is our pillar of support in all endeavors, the Department of Water Resources. I welcome you, sir. I would request Mr. Pradeep Mitra to hand over bouquet and welcome him. Welcome to you, sir. I wish to extend a warm welcome to Professor Anurag Kumar, Director, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, on behalf of all the organizers who has extended full support in organizing this 2 days conference in this wonderful auditorium and in the beautiful campus. I welcome you, sir, to this function with heartfelt gratitude. I would request Mr. Shankar, Mysore SC, welcome him with a bouquet. I extend warm welcome to Sri B.G. Gurupad Swami, Secretary to Government of Karnataka Water Resources Department, who has been guiding us in implementation of the DRIP program and supporting fully for arranging this conference. I welcome you, sir. I would request Mr. Madhav to hand a bouquet and welcome him. Welcome, sir. I extend my warm welcome to Sri A.B. Pandya, former Chairman, Central Water Commission, India, who has guided all the state agencies implementing the DRIP program when he was Chairman, CWC, till 31st December last. I warmly welcome you, sir. I would request Mr. Pradeep to hand over bouquet and welcome. I warmly welcome you, sir, and request you to enlighten us with words of wisdom and vision through your keynote address. I, on behalf of the state of Karnataka and the organizers, I heartily welcome the project director DRIP, Dr. E.K. Pillai. I would request Srinivas to welcome him. It is needless to say that he is like backbone of the DRIP, and probably the state implementing agencies would be knowing this, totally about his involvement in this DRIP project. I welcome you, sir, again. On behalf of the state of Karnataka and organizers, accord